it's Mercedes, and if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you guys can get notified every time I post a new video. Today's video is another big haul for you guys because the other video that I did, I will leave it right here so you guys can check it out. It did so well, so I decided to create a part 2 for you guys. So if you guys want to watch part 1, it will be right here, over here, yeah. I got all of these clothes from Zaful, and I will leave that link in the description box below. If you guys decide to get any of these clothes, that would be amazing because then we could be twins. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay, so I'm going to be breaking this up into certain sections because I have rompers, I have dresses, I have shirts, I have accessories. So I'm going to be starting out with a romper. The first romper I have is this olive color romper. It's really cute, it's really flowy. It has a really cute dip in the front. It's not like a crazy dip because some dips in shirts, they could get a little showy, and this one's not like that at all, so it's really cute. It's really small and little, and then it has also like a grip so it could stay up because it is a strapless, so I really like that. I'm not really good at all this like explaining clothes, so bear with me. It has a string that you could tie into a little bow off the corner. So I thought that was really cute. It also comes with a choker. So you guys know chokers are my favorite, so yeah, that's a plus. Moving on to romper number 2. This one is one of my faves. It is a cherry romper. It has little gold cherries all over it, so I had to get this. I had to get it. It was super duper cute. It has a really deep V cut in the front, and the sleeves to it are very flowy and fun, and the bottom is also flowy as well. I paired it with a long necklace because if you're gonna wear a V cut, I think you should be wearing a necklace. And it also has a tie that ties in the back, so you could put a little bow in the back, and it is super cute. Okay, so moving on to dresses. This is just your basic black dress. It has a little bit of a V cut in the front. It's very, very basic. There's nothing really to it. It has like a cute design that's at the bottom, but that's pretty much it. I think this is like a really, really comfy dress. The material is very light, and you guys always have to have that black dress. My next dress is very, very dressy. I'm not really sure where you would wear this to, but I would probably wear it to a festival, but it is this dress. It's like a silky dress. It's very, very simple. It crosses in the back. This choker came with it, and it's just the same material. You could also wear this as like pajamas if you really wanted to, but I thought it was really cute, so I got it. Yeah. Moving on to a 2-piece set. These are the shorts, and they have black and white stripes and a tie that you could tie a little bow, or you could just leave them hanging, your choice. And then the top looks like this, the back looks like that, and then it has the ties that you could tie a cute little bow in the back. Starting out with shirts, my favorite. Okay, the first one that I got is this white one. It has a lace up, and then it has like a cute little tie off at the end, and then it has cutouts for your shoulders, so I thought that was really cute. But it's a shirt you can wear with pretty much anything because it is white, and it has a really cute lace up, so I thought that added so much to the shirt, so I had to get it. My second shirt, this shirt is so comfy. This is basically what it is. The shirt comes with like the sleeves folded already, like this, so you could wear this with jean shorts, black shorts, white shorts, pretty much anything, and it will look super cute, so I had to get it. Okay, my next shirt is this white shirt, and it has black trimming around the neck area and then the sleeves. It's like longer in the back than it is in the front. This is what it says on the shirt. Starting accessories, I have this really cool lace-up necklace. It has little gold feathers at the end, and then you can pretty much wrap it around like twice around your neck and then tie it off. Next would be these glasses. Oh my gosh, like look how cute. They have a cute pink tint to them, so I thought they were really cute, and they look like cop glasses. So for belts, I got this really, really cute belt. You guys all know that these belts are literally in right now. It has like a really cute buckle, and then at the end it has a really cute flower on it. So this is what it looks like. It's just a black belt. For my outfit, I paired it with the white shirt and shorts, and I kind of dressed it up but then kind of down. It was more like a relaxed look, and I thought it was adorable, so added that to my list. And then I also got these like really cute bralettes. I didn't show you guys in the video because obviously that would be inappropriate, but I got these really cute bralettes This is the first one, and then this is the second one. So I also got this shirt. It is a crop top with ribbed lining, but the material is really, really nice, and it has like these cute little straps, and I just thought it was a really cute and fun color, so I was like, hey, like, why not? That's pretty much all the clothes that I got from Zaful. I thought I would share these outfits with you guys because they're pretty much like universal. You could wear them to school, you could wear them to birthday parties, you could wear them to parties, or hanging out with your friends, movies, first dates, and you could also wear them to sleep. So I mean, I pretty much hit like every category out there. I have a question for you. Out of all the items that I shared with you, which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. If you guys enjoy these haul videos, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. If you guys haven't watched part 1, go ahead and head over there. I will leave the link right here. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!